After weeks of anticipation, DJI has finally given us a full look at this exciting new drone. And let me tell you, it's packed with some seriously impressive upgrades. The Avata 2 boasts a larger 1x1.3-inch camera sensor with larger pixels, meaning it can capture more light and deliver stunning footage with up to 2 more stops of dynamic range. With a field of view reaching up to 155 degrees, it supports standard, wide-angle, and super wide-angle modes, and with 4 additional minutes of battery life, bringing the total flight time to a respectable 23 minutes, you'll have more time than ever to capture those breathtaking shots. But it's not just about what's inside the Avata 2, it's also about the sleek, aerodynamic design that's been optimized for stability and performance. The new frame is shorter and wider, resulting in a more stable flight experience, even at high speeds. It's even way quieter than the old Avata. It's still not silent, but it won't turn heads like the loud, screaming version did. It also offers 3 more kilometers of maximum range, now up to 13 kilometers, and features advanced backward collision avoidance technology for added safety, though it lacks forward collision sensors. One of the most exciting upgrades is the Avata 2's built-in storage. With a whopping 46 gigs of space, you'll have plenty of room to store all your footage without the need for additional memory cards. And with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer footage directly to your phone at speeds of up to 30 megabytes per second. The DJI Avata 2 shoots up to 4K at 60 FPS, all the way down to 1080p at 120 FPS at up to 130 megabits per second. Sorry, but the drone doesn't work with old batteries or controllers. According to DJI, you could technically drain a single battery in just 3 minutes if you're flying manually at its top speed of 27 meters per second, 60 miles per hour. Plus, there's still no 24 FPS filming mode or vertical shooting option. Now, let's talk about the DJI Goggles 3. These goggles provide an immersive first-person view of your flight, with a dual 1080p micro OLED display offering 700 nits of brightness. The new DJI Goggles 3 come with a built-in battery and GPS, and also boast an extra hour of battery life over the original, now providing up to 4 hours of continuous use. Plus, with a 60 megabits per second maximum video bitrate, you'll experience smooth and stable video transmission like never before. But remember, the frame rate still tops out at 100 FPS. The new Goggles 3 have cameras for pass-through vision, but the narrow field of view often leads users to lift them off instead of relying on them to see their surroundings. And let's not forget about the DJI RC Motion 3. This motion controller has been redesigned for optimal comfort and control, with a light and small design that doesn't compromise on responsiveness. It features a unique dual-stage trigger and a new dial that allows you to perform pre-programmed 360-degree flips, rolls, or 180-degree drifts with ease. Now coming to price, the Avata 2 is up for grabs starting today. The $999 kit includes the DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3. For $1,199, you get 2 extra batteries, a sling bag, and a charging hub that cleverly transfers power from multiple batteries to the one with the highest charge level. If you want the stick-based controller, it's sold separately for $199, while the RC Motion 3 alone costs $99. And if you're into ND filters, you can snag the kit for $79. Well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for joining us. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drone-related content. And until next time, happy flying!